One of the ways to avoid the problem of the centers is to actually use a positive stencil, and where everything in the white here would get sandblasted away and the letters would stand up. It'd be like embossing. So I'm gonna give that a try, see what it looks like. It probably is pretty difficult to get the exact depth everywhere, but I thought I'd give this a try. Well, I'm back. I went up and did it. It took about 4 times longer because I really was working a lot more surface area, and it took a little while for the depth to start to show up, and I could have kept going. I didn't see any real problems with the letters, but let's take this stencil material off and we'll look at the results here. Well, isn't that cool? It's probably about 1/8 of an inch. Looks like I got it pretty good depth all the way around. You can feel there's some areas are a little shallower, like right here is kind of a low spot, but that doesn't seem to hurt it. And everything is nice and clean. I'm liking this idea. What do you think? Thanks for watching.